to Jesus, sex is not just physical. To Jesus, sex is spiritual. Alam mo yung mga anak ko talagang, di ba yung mga bata, ayaw nilang pinag-uusapan yung sex. Ew! But sex is such a wonderful gift from the Lord. Amen? Amen? Parang ayaw nyo, hindi rin kayo naniniwala. Sex is such a beautiful gift from the Lord when it is done in the midst of marriage. Because sex is meant to be for procreation. Wala kayo sa mundong ito kung hindi dahil sa sex. Di ba? But God is calling us, mga magjowa, in the context of marriage. Pakasalan mo na. But the letter of the law says, be sexually faithful to your spouse. Husbands, the letter of the law says, be sexually faithful to your spouse. But the spirit of the law, what does Jesus say? Be sexually, be emotionally, be spiritually faithful to your spouse. In other words, in everything, be faithful to your spouse. Amen? Wives, amen? Maka-amen kayo. Kayo din. Hindi lang sa amin yan. Para sa atin yan lahat na mag-aasawa. To be faithful in all aspects. Physically, mentally, spiritually. Kaya even to be faithful in your mind, in your thoughts, and in your heart. That is what sexual faithfulness is all about.